In the heart of Studio Echo, Alex's defiant slam of the ChronoQuest comic ignites a storm of ambition. Amid the tangled cables and glowing screens, Jamie, Riley, and Morgan are a portrait of mixed emotions. Echoing through the studio, Alex's declaration announces, "The ultimate comic dub challenge!" In the heart of Studio Echo, Jamie's anxiety crescendos as the clock ticks relentlessly, while Riley prepares to become the timeless knight. Amidst the mounting tension, Riley declares with unwavering resolve, "Relax, Jamie. I was born to voice the timeless knight." Morgan, in a quest for sonic perfection, meticulously tests bizarre objects, seeking the quintessential sound of a goblin's misfortune. Amidst the creative chaos, a eureka moment. Morgan proclaims, "Just need to find the perfect sound for a goblin getting punched." Ah, yes, a wet sponge hitting a watermelon. Classic. Inside the makeshift studio, a symphony of dedication unfolds as friends pour their hearts into recording lines and crafting immersive sound effects. In a dance of concentration, their faces reflect the intensity and passion fueling their creative endeavor. Each intricate detail of their makeshift studio comes to life, showcasing the resourcefulness and ingenuity behind their collaborative project. In the heart of Studio Echo, disaster strikes as Jamie's laptop screen freezes into a haunting blue, signaling a catastrophic loss. Riley clutches their throat, their voice strangled into a mere whisper as the weight of the moment crushes their spirit. Adding to the chaos, Morgan struggles in vain as their shoe becomes irrevocably glued to the floor, grounding them in this nightmare. The studio air grows heavy, with a palpable tension and an all-consuming sense of desperation, enveloping the team in a suffocating cloud of despair. In the chaotic confines of Studio Echo, Alex succumbs to exhaustion, their dashed hopes mirrored in the surrounding disarray. The scene is filled with the silent testament of their fruitless endeavors, each object a reminder of their fading chances. The room itself becomes a symbol of their failed attempts, the walls echoing with unspoken disappointments. In the heart of the studio, Jamie confronts the stark emptiness of the comic's final panel, a void echoing with untold possibilities. In a fleeting moment of clarity, a spark of realization ignites within Jamie, hope flickering like a fragile candle against the encroaching darkness. Amid the creative tension, Alex proposes with cautious optimism, "Maybe we can improvise an ending?" In the heart of the studio, the air vibrates with creative electricity as friends gather, their minds ablaze with inspiration. Illuminated by the digital light, each face reflects the spark of genius as they collectively weave the threads of a new ending. Fueled by caffeine, their ideas surge forth, shaping words that dance across the digital page, breathing life into the script. In the heart of the studio, Riley's voice reverberates, practicing the night's emotional plea with fervent dedication. Across the room, Morgan orchestrates a haunting choir effect, blending the ethereal tones of a synthesizer with the whimsical buzz of a kazoo. Jamie, a maestro of sound, meticulously fine-tunes the mixing board, weaving echoes into Riley's voice to amplify its emotional depth. In the studio's shadowed corner, Alex's voice resonates with bittersweet victory. Alex's haunting words echo, "And so, the battle was won, but at what cost?" The air crackles with the electric energy of collaborative creativity, as each artist contributes their unique voice to the symphony of storytelling. In the quiet of the studio, a delicate piano melody enhances a silent tribute, weaving emotion into the blank panel. With renewed focus, the friends meticulously fine-tune their work, ensuring every note resonates with heartfelt dedication. The clock strikes 7:59 a.m. in the hushed studio, as fingers tremble over the upload button, the fate of ChronoQuest. The Ballad of Time hanging in the balance. In a moment of breathless anticipation, the dub is poised for submission, its destiny sealed by a single click. A shared nervous tension grips the small studio as the team awaits the outcome of their labor. In Studio Echo, a sudden notification ignites an explosion of cheers as triumph washes over the room. Friends leap to their feet in a burst of uncontainable jubilation, their faces radiant with success. Reveal the raw, unrestrained joy etched onto their faces, each expression telling a story of dedication and victory. Under the shimmering night, Alex, Jamie, Riley, and Morgan stride onto the stage, poised to seize their moment of glory at the award ceremony. The thunderous applause of the crowd erupts, celebrating their hard-won triumph and echoing through the star-filled night. Bathed in the radiant glow of the stage lights, they stand united, their silhouettes a testament to their collective journey and unparalleled achievement. Bathed in a brilliant spotlight, Alex stands at the podium, their passionate gestures and voice commanding the attention of the captivated crowd. Alex's heartfelt words echo through the auditorium. I want to emphasize the importance of collaboration and creativity in comic dubbing. It's a team effort, and I'm so grateful for everyone involved. In the front row, Alex's friends exchange glances, their eyes brimming with pride and joy as they witness Alex's triumph. The air crackles with an electrifying mix of excitement and anticipation, enveloping the award ceremony in a palpable sense of momentousness. In the heart of their basement studio, victory is celebrated with pizza, laughter, and the sweet aroma of triumph. The air crackles with shared joy as they bask in the glow of computer screens, their faces alight with accomplishment. Amidst the cheesy aroma and the echoes of laughter, they reflect on the hurdles overcome, their bonds strengthened by shared triumph. The studio awakens with vibrant energy as sunlight illuminates the remnants of a creative storm. Empty coffee cups, scattered scripts, and a whiteboard teeming with ideas. Anna, Mark, and Chloe, their faces glowing with excitement, embark on a new adventure. More comic dubs? Fueled by the amazing response, Mark confidently declares, "Absolutely! We've got to keep the momentum going." Chloe, ever prepared, unveils a treasure trove of possibilities. "I've already got a list of comics we could adapt. Some real gems in there." Anna's anticipation bubbles to the surface. "This is going to be amazing. Let's plan our next move." Mark initiates the next phase with a pivotal question. "Okay, let's start with the script selection. What are we thinking?" Chloe assures the group, "I'll send everyone the list later today. We can vote on our favorite." In the heart of Studio Echo, a symphony of voices intertwines as friends embark on a new dubbing adventure, their words painting vivid worlds. The air crackles with vibrant energy and unbridled imagination, each line delivered with passion, weaving tales that transcend reality. As the camera gracefully retreats, the friends remain, suspended in their own creative universe, where stories come alive and dreams take flight.